Discover the charm of this move-in ready 3-bedroom plus den home, featuring a captivating open floor plan, high ceilings, and a central island kitchen. Enjoy the Cape Coral lifestyle in the spacious covered lanai while delighting in features like solid construction, covered terrace, high-efficiency AC system, Moen plumbing fixtures, and impact-resistant windows with thermal insulation. The house is adorned with 36-inch upper cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel kitchen appliances, and elegant colonial-style raised panel doors. With stone accents on the front facade, an irrigation system, and epoxy-coated garage floors, this residence promises quality construction at an unbeatable price.